Okay, on the graph, I have only drawn in the walking part, and that's in black, and the public transportation, which is in blue. And what I've done above, so if you look here, these numbers up here at the top, I've estimated that there were 30 walkers, because that line comes up to 30, and 2 public transportations. Okay? And then 10 walkers and 17 public, and then 6 and 30 public transportation. There were no walkers up here, but I've estimated 17 public transportation and 37. Now, if you'd said 16 or 18, you're still going to be okay. I used the same numbers that were in the solution just so I wouldn't confuse you, okay? All right, now it says, for all persons who travel to work by walking, the median long trip distance. So when you find the median, you have to write your numbers in either increasing or decreasing order, and I'm going to do mine in terms of increasing, and we're writing the distance in increasing order. Well, our chart already represents increasing in distance. They increase. It starts with a distance of less than or equal to 2, and then goes all the way up to a distance greater than 15. So what I'm going to do now, I'm worried about travel by walking, the median round trip. So walking people, okay, that's going to be my blue numbers. And I'm going to think about my distances in order. So my walking people there's 2 of them, plus 17, plus, nope, I'm doing public transportation, sorry. Walking. So that's going to be black. That's 30 plus 10 plus 6, and that's 46. And the median, that's an even number, so that would be the average of the 23rd or 24th. So that would be the average distance between the 23rd and 24th, because I got an even number of walkers. So where is the 23rd and 24th person? Well, we had 30 people doing a distance less than or equal to 2, and so your 23rd and 24th person would be there. So your first answer will be X is less than or equal to 2. And don't forget, you're finding the median based on the distance. Your distances have been listed from least to greatest. And now let's look at public transportation. Public transportation are the blue numbers. And I've got 2 plus 17 plus 30 plus 17 plus 37, and that's 103. The median would be the very middle one, because that's an odd number, would be 52. Where is the 52 person? Well, the 52nd person will be where? See, here is 19, and then 19 plus 30. 19 plus 30 is 49. So the 52nd person is going to be in here somewhere. And what distance is that? 10 to 15. So 10, the second answer is 10 less than distance less than or equal to 15. I hope that makes sense.